Hello boys and girls, here is a quick review on division. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to write out your question. So here we've got 125 divided by 5. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look to the number on the left. I'm going to look at the number on the left and I'm going to say, okay, I know 5 will not go into 1 at all. So then I'm going to look at the next number and I'm going to say it's a 12. How many times does 5 go into 12? I could count by 5s, 5, 10. So I know it goes 2 times. I'm going to write my 2 at the top. The next step is I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply 5 times 2, which is 10. I'm going to bring down my 10. The number that I had was 12, and I'm going to subtract it. So I'm subtracting, I get a 2. Next step, bring down the 5. So I'm going to bring down my 5, and I'm going to say, how many times does 5 go into 25? The answer is 5. I'm going to put my 5 up at the top. I'm going to multiply 5 times 5, write down my 25, subtract 0, there's no remainder. Next, let's look at this question over here. I've got 3 and 75, so I'm going to see how many times does 3 go into the number 75. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to say how many times does 3 go into 7. I could count by 3s, 3, 6, that's 2 times. I'm going to put my 2 at the top, then I'm going to multiply 3 times 2, I'm going to get 6, I'm going to subtract 7 minus 6, which equals 1. I'm going to bring down my 5. How many times does 3 go into the number 15? Again, I could count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So I'm going to write down my 5, because 3 goes into 15 5 times. Then I'm going to multiply 3 times 5, 15, subtract it, and I've got 0, so there's no remainders for this question. I hope this overview helps you remember how to divide again. If you have any questions, again, post them to the blog and I'll respond. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend.